Just keepers today, just keepers, but the clouds, we got the big ones kind of down this morning. That northern measure 10 are real close. Just using a 16-foot B&M pole with a crappie magnet hair jig, 1/4 ounce weight above it. Man, it seems to be working well. We're gonna let this go and grow up a little. See if we can't get another. Pretty nice fish.
How'd you end up catching them?
I put a crappie magnet, blue chartreuse head, hair jig on, 16-foot B&M pole. Spoons, get ready. Got him. They just had to come off that bottom. We struggled a little bit this morning at first, but now they're coming up. Oh, that's not a big fish, but oh well, they're fun to catch. He'll probably measure 10 inches, but